Because I've just
See,
realized.
Rodberg said I should have called this Terry's Turmoil.
Yep, Terry's Turmoil.
That would have been a good name for this.
Loading.
Oh, by the way, I have a battering ram on the front of my bus, so stay out of my way.
Well, if your PI's higher, I'm probably in the back. My PI's probably the lowest.
I'm probably at the back too.
All right, let's go racing.
Right hairpin long.
Per network. Aussie Dragon behind.
Oh!
Excuse me.
Why am I at the front? Aussie Dragon just rammed me like a bitch.
Left hairpin long into right 2. Right 5.
Player Cuman Dan 99. 2.7 second penalty for collision.
Get around me already! Jesus.
JP's Universe 8 ahead.
We all hit the gas.
You must have set it by lowest PI at the front, because I was at the front. I was in first.
Oh, I'll check it, but I'm pretty sure I
and
said
my
right.
bath isn't that powerful.
Segment score 1.0.
Right 1 into left 2. Right 5.
Mine's like 600.
Mine was set up for
P3.
the endurance
P3.
race.
Right 3.
P2. Segment score 7.5.
Yeah, mine's on 600 as well. Mine's at the top of B class.
Oh man, I need to slow down.
Right 5.
What
Segment
was
score
the
8.6.
Silverstone endurance?
B.
Yeah, well, mine must be 600.
Per
Oh!
network.
Whoops.
Segment score 1.0.
Hey, Sightless, we're in a race right now, and you can join the next one when we're done. We can go through
Last lap dirty 0 1 minutes. 09.607 seconds. P2.
Right hairpin long.
do some updating, or my computer had to do some updating.
Yeah.
Left hairpin long into right 2. Right 5.
Oh no!
Segment score
I got
1.2.
into the pit.
Change those tyres while you're there.
I forgot the lay south second.
That
Segment
was a
score
bit high
7.6.
and
Who
low
did
in
this
the
to me?
gear.
Right 1 into left 2.
This
Right
is
5.
wrong thing to do, please.
Right 3.
Rev limiter.
Segment score 8.6.
Now that I made
Right
it through the
five.
first chicane.
Segment score 8.2. Per network. Segment score 7.7. Last lap 0 1 minutes. 04.902 seconds.
Oh, I got
P2.
5 seconds off the
Right
lap.
hairpin
First lap
long.
to the second lap. Went from 109 to 105.
Left hairpin long into right 2. Right 5.
Segment
Last
score
I knew I
7.9.
was in second.
I'll get on the track.
Segment score 7.4.
Right 1 into left 2. Right 5.
Oh, I'm in the pit.
Right 3.
Yay! Oh no!
Segment score 8.6.
Oh no!
Per network.
I'm in the pit once again.
Right 5.
Segment score
Come on,
8.6.
come on, pit. Go, 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 go.
Obviously the pit entrance is in a bad spot.
Segment score 7.7.
It's like when I pause and unpause, it goes into the pit.
Same, it did that. That's what it did for me. That was weird.
Last lap 0 1 minutes. 05.018 seconds. P2.
Right hairpin long.
They haven't changed the
Left
key
hairpin
for
long
pit
into right 2.
entry,
Right
have they?
5.
No.
Segment score 8.1. Player TrueBlindGaming. 2.2 second penalty for collision.
2-second penalty for collision. Who'd you hit?
Segment score 8.0.
Me.
Right
Wasn't
1
me
into
for a
left 2.
change.
Right 5. Right 3.
Oh,
Segment score
that's a-
8.9.
I wonder why it's so quiet. Starting all my stream stuff up, I forgot about my companion app, so I don't know what
Right
gear I'm in.
5.
Segment score 8.0.
Whoops.
Segment score 7.7.
I think I've just driven around in first.
Last lap 0 1 minutes.
Yeah, that's about what it
04.624
sounds like.
seconds. P2.
Right hairpin long.
Oh yeah, I'm in P2. Didn't expect that.
Left hairpin long
Thanks,
into
pit
right
guys.
2. Right 5.
Segment score 8.0.
Well, I got into the pit just so you can get into P2.
Yep, thank you. I appreciate it.
You can show your appreciation
It's on the
by
track.
doing the same.
Segment score
next
7.7.
time.
My pit was
Right
saying
1 into
P3.
right
Nah,
2.
sorry.
Right 5.
I don't need to pit. I got good tyres, lots of fuel.
Right 3.
Give the wrists a bit of rest.
Segment score 7.0.
No, I'm racing Forza
Right five.
Motorsport, not
Segment score
masturbate.
8.6.
Sorry, I'm
I don't
just
like
showing
the
off.
Segment score
I'm
7.6.
showing off for the stream. With my no visitors.
Last lap
I
0 1
didn't
minutes.
even
Yay!
0.04 seconds. P2. Event
P2.
results. Weather. Drizzle. Track temperature. 17 degrees Celsius.
Ooh, you
Lap
went that
on
far ahead of
South
me then.
chicane. Track length. 2.37 kilometers. Laps. 5 drivers. 5
Right,
drivers in
I'm gonna
event.
turn my
Race ends in
screen.
0 9 minutes. 13 seconds.
Yeah, I made it through a
Magnifying
lap
driver
on
list.
track.